Hey, I'm welcoming back you on my channel. I'm still working on my van. There are more things that needs to be fixed, and I want to share this experience with you because I'm going this through a first time. I'll show you the progress. So let me share what it is. So we have an oil filter, engine filter, and 6 liters of the oil, 5W30. We need to put like 5.5 liters, so that's why I got 6. And one more piece that I have is my OBD. I want to share a few tips with you to protect the engine and the fuel system, some other tricks as well. For the engines with high mileage, over like 120,000 kilometers and up, you would need to add some additives to protect engine. This time we changed the oil. We used this 5W30 fully synthetic oil, and now for our engine to be more lasting for a longer time, you would need to add about 1/3 of this additive, and it's gonna help and coat protect our engine. All right, so let's add it over here. We don't need that for now. You just simply add in this straight where the oil, just a little bit more. We're gonna add just a little bit of the engine oil. It's going to protect your engine for ages. That's the first trick or life hack to keep the engine lasting for longer period of time. And now I'll show you the second one. It sits right here. In order to remove the old one and put a new one, you just need to unscrew those 2 bolts, pull it up, pull this out, and insert a new filter. That's it. Easy peasy, like nothing to do. I want to share with you about this leak. As you can see, first of all, I thought this is like engine oil, but it's not. This is a leak from the steering wheel. Fluid is leaking. So I would add more of this steering wheel fluid, but I will show you just in a second what I'm gonna use it to protect this leakage. The second issue that I have with my steering wheel, it's leaking. The fluid is leaking underneath. Thinking that this is problem with a water pump, but it's not. It's problem with steering wheel fluid is leaking there. So what I want to share with you, this power steering repair, it's 2 composition, like a pink and orange, and you have to pour both of them at the same time, make it equal. It's going to seal all those leaks, or at least it minimizes the leakage. So let's add this one. When I open the cap, it's like lower level, it's very bad, it's leaking. So now I'm going to add this, and hopefully, and I think it's gonna help, hopefully it's gonna be better than time consuming, some sort of expensive. We don't have a time for that. Now let's see the level. Okay, it's I pour over level. It's leaking, so we're gonna lose some of the liquid for sure, so that's okay. And then hopefully it's gonna be fixed. For the brake fluid, always DOT3 only for the Express and Chevrolet and GMC. And now I'll show you the last tip for a fuel system, and for the entire fuel system for more smooth work of the engine. So let's go back. So, and the third tip that I would like to share with you, it's a seafoam motor treatment. This is for high mileage, and you have to add this to your fuel tank. It's about like 110-120 liters grade of the fuel, and then add half of this bottle, and it's gonna clean and remove all residual water and all other debris from your fuel system, and it's gonna help your engine as well. So let's add this as well, like a full tank of gas. Yeah, and you need to do this like ideally once in 5,000 miles or 8,000 kilometers, when you change the oil, and do this once you're doing the maintenance. That's it. That's all for the tips. So how we change the oil, how we protect our engine, hopefully that steering wheel leakage gonna stop, and fuel system as well. This is an engine filter. So guys, I decided to do one more tip for you in this video, and it's going to be about like AC and heater unit. So it's just an easy maintenance for your AC to be working properly, last longer, blowing air properly, and the same for the hot air. So you just unscrew it, 2 small screws, remove this part, and now you will be able to see the radiator. I have my endoscope here, and I'm going to put the endoscope and see what's there. Let's stick in the endoscope into here, and let's see what we see here. It's a little bit dirt. This is not good, but this is probably peeled paint, something like that. Yeah, so it's not unnecessarily to remove the cover, spend a couple hours on it, so it's not that bad. So even if you don't have endoscope, that's fine. You just need a lighter, I mean a flashlight, and see how bad it is. And if it's not that bad, you just use any foam, coil cleaner foam for AC units, for any radiators that works for evaporator and condenser coil, to clean. And yeah, just spray it. Well, let's see that for, actually you just can put it back, screw back, and that's it. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to remove, wash, or anything like that. The only thing that is inconvenient, and I don't have a small extension to cover all these parts, but I will manage that. Right, so let's apply. So it makes a foam like that. That's it. And just put back this piece and put 2 more screws. That's all. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and stay tuned for more videos. Until next time, bye bye.